Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Did you go through the Newton plan for the skill development program at St. Anthony's? I'm honestly so proud how far our school has come. The structure of this year is even more innovative. They have gone beyond the basics. Now we are training the students in building drones, 3D modeling, in financial literacy, public speaking, and even life skills. Exactly, not just the theory. Now, the students were building drones, designing in 3D software, presentations, and managing mock bank accounts in the classroom. Last week I walked into class 8 and I saw some of the students explaining a traffic signal by using Arduino. I was speechless. I saw that too, and I love how the 6th class students are preparing and giving English speeches every Friday. Their confidence has skyrocketed. This is exactly what a 21st century education should be. The teaching skills that go beyond the textbooks and build real world readiness. I remember how some students were shy and quiet at the beginning of the year. Now they are actively taking part in designing, digital modeling, and 3D software as well as digital design competitions. It makes me emotional, honestly. We are not just preparing the students for exam. We are shaping innovators, thinkers, and leaders. That's what makes St. Anthony's School special. We believe in all-round development, mind, skills, and future. I think we are setting an example of what future-ready education looks like in rural India. Absolutely. It's not just for the students in the top level. Every student, no matter their level, gets a chance to learn, grow, and shine. To all the parents watching this, you are not just sending your child to school, you are sending them to a place that nurtures their dreams, future, and talent. This is St. Anthony's School, where education meets empowerment.